Hello everybody. In this video I will show you how you can add an article or a new page or remove a page or modify a page on the website of Mode. To do this, just open Mozilla Firefox, for example, and go on the web page of Mode, www.modecambodia.org, and you add /administrator, like this, /administrator. And when you go on this page, you should arrive on this window. You have to log in and to put the password, mode admin. You should know the password. Will not tell you the password here because of security reasons. And then you click on the login button. Okay, you should arrive on this page. This is the home page of the website. Further remark, here Joomla is up to date, so it's very good. But if you see that this is not up to date, please click on the button and click on update. It's important. It only takes 2 seconds, and for security reasons it's really important that your website is always updated. Okay, now we want to add a new page on the website of Mode. Let's have a look. For example, you can see HBC program. We want to add this kind of page, so text, and you can add image. We will see how to do. So we have to do 2 things to do. First, to add what is called an article. An article, it is the content like this, so it is text and image basically, and it's what appears here. Okay. After, we will add a menu, and so the website knows where your article has to be, and so we will link the article with the new menu. So here in this case the menu is this button. We will learn how to add new buttons in the menu, and so you can display the article. So let's see first the articles. So to add a new article, go on content and article manager, and you just click, and you should arrive here on this page. This is the list of all the articles of Mode website. So for example, HBC, I can see here, home-based care program. So if I click on this, well, I arrive on this page, and okay, this is exactly, can put it bigger like this. This is exactly the page you can see here. Okay, so it's the content. So now you know already how to modify. So you select the article you want to modify. For example, we will add test and put it in yellow to see it very well. And then never forget to save. You have to click on save after. If you don't save, the modification will not apply. Okay, and then if I go back to my page, I have to update the page. Okay, and I can see test. Of course, I will remove this, save, click on save again. We can check if it disappeared. Okay, very good. And then I can close to come back on the list of articles. Because now what we want to do is add a new article. So to do this, just click on new here, the new button. Okay, and you arrive on this page. So when you have red stars like this, it means you must complete the fields. So the title, let's put test page. The title, it is this, what appears here in blue, home-based care program. So it appears big and in blue. This is the title of the article. Category, you can just let uncategorized, it's not important. And here it is the content. So this field is what will appear here after the title. So let's put test, some example. This is the test page. Okay, and so you can use all these tools. It's like Word, Microsoft Word, you should know. So test, I select, for example, and I will put bold. I can put italic, and for example underline. Okay, and I can put this bigger with yellow backgrounds, and for example the red test. Okay, I can also change the font. We have a lot of different fonts. Okay, this is it. But so you can see here I have a lot of text, but there are also images, and it can be interesting to put images as well. So let's see how to do. To insert an image, just click on this button. Insert, edit image, and you click. When you click on this window appears, and here it contains all the files that are located on the server. So you have already a lot of images, you can see, and so you should select the image you want to add. If the image is not on the server but on your computer, you can upload it from your computer to the server. To do this, just click here on this button, upload, and you click. And when you click on browse, you can look for your image. For example, if it's on the desktop, you should know this, huh? You double click on your image, okay, and then you upload. You can put more than one image if you want. Upload. Okay, and here is my image. Very nice. Picture from Vietnam. I will rename. You can click here to put a new name to your image. I will put like test image. Okay. Yes. So where is it? Here, my test image. Very good. Here it is. An important thing you can put is the alternate test. You can put here a lot of text, and this will appear like this behind the image. So it's like an explanation of the image. I can put this picture has been taken in Vietnam. Okay, islands. Good. We will see that's how it appears on the page. Another thing interesting is to put the alignment. This is to know where the text will appear. If I let this not set, the text will do like this. It's not very nice. If I put left, you can see the image appears on the left, and so the text is on the right. If I put right, the image is on the right and the text on the left. So let's put, for example, left, and then you click on insert when you are finished. And here is my image. So it's very big. I will do it smaller like this. Okay. And so if I continue to write, normally the text should appear on the left. Yeah, you see. Good, you have to try yourself, but this is the idea. Okay, and so let's save our page. To do this, you can click on save or directly save and close. So save and close is the same, then click on save and after click on cancel or on close. AOLD save and close. Oi, what happens? The alias. So the alias has to be changed. The alias is not important. You can put whatever you want. Let's put Vietnam image. I will show you after what this is, but just change, save and close. Alias. Okay. Now it's nice. Article saved, and if it's correct, you should see your article appear in the list. Here it is, test page. Okay. So if I want to modify, no problem, I can just click again on test page, and I can come here again, and I can modify what I want. Okay, just close. But if I go on the website now, I cannot see my image. Where is it? I don't know. The website don't know. Should it go on Contact Us? Should it go on, I don't know, Job Opportunities? Where should it be displayed? So the second step is to add a new menu here, a button, and when I click on this menu button, then I can see my article. Okay, let's start. So to add a new menu, just go on menu and click on menu manager. You have different menus. The first one is the main menu. The main menu is this one. Normally you will always use the main menu. For example, this is another menu. It is the login menu. It is this menu. But so you will only use main menu. So click on this one. When you click on this one, you have all the buttons of the menu. For example, you can see home or projects or donors. It is this home or projects or donors. Okay. And if you look after our projects, you can see this symbol and then food and security and health projects. And so these are children of our projects. So submenus: food, health projects, and canal. It is this, this, and then this. And here we have 3 others. These are children of health project. You have 2 times this symbol. It means these are children of health projects. And if I go here, health project, I have these 3 children. Okay. So there is a hierarchy in the menu. Okay, so let's add a new menu. Click on new. And here we are. Again, you have 3 red stars, so 3 things you must specify. First, the menu item type. Click on select. This is what you want on the page, and we want just an article, so click on single article. Wait a little bit, and then here you have to select the article. Which article do you want to display on your page? Click on select change, and then you have to find your page here in the list. This is the list of all the articles. So where is it? Test page. This is the article I just created before. Click. Okay. Menu title. Menu title is the text that will appear in the menu. I will just put test. Okay. Other interesting things. The status. Yeah, of course you have to put publish if you want to appear on the website. Access. If you click on registered, only the login people can see your menu. If you put public, everybody can see. Menu location, main menu. This is which menu. You should always put main menu. Parent item. If I put menu item root, it means the menu is a parent, so it will appear here in this list. If, for example, I put our projects, then it will be a child of our project, so it will appear after Kana in this case. Let's try our project, and so we can save. Okay, good. Let's test. Update. Never forget to update your page. And then if I go to our projects, oh yeah, I have test after Kana, and if I click on test, I have my page. Very nice. Okay. And here you can see this is what I wrote under the image. Good. Now, if I want to add a new button here and not under our projects, how can you do? Well, just change our projects. This is the parent item, and you put menu item root. Save. Oh, again, there is a problem with the alias again. So this means test is already exists. So let's put test 1, 2, 3. It's not important. You can choose what you put. I will show you what it does. Okay, successful. So I update my page. Yeah, I have to go here, of course. Okay, and I have test. If I click on the test, I have my page, and here no test anymore, so it's good. And the alias, you can see it's just what appears here on the URL. I put test123. Test123 is the alias, and so it appears here, test123, and it has to be unique. That's why I had an error, because there was already a page with test. Okay, and that's it. Maybe a last thing I can show you is how to change the position. If I want test not to be here at the end, but for example just after job opportunities, how can I do? Well, to do this, again, go on your test page or test menu, and then ordering. You can click here, and then if I want after downloads or after job opportunities, select job opportunities and you save. And then I can update my page. Okay, and this time, yeah, test is after job opportunities, so you can change the order of the button. Okay, well, that's it. I hope you enjoy. If you have questions, don't hesitate to send email to me. In the next video, I will show you how to put a photo gallery. A photo gallery, it is photos like this. You have multiple photos and you can display them all. It is very nice. Okay, see you.